So from the last session we deployed this application to Elastic Container Service. We created a cluster, and then we created the task definition, and then deployed that application, which is what we have here as the task running. So this is the application running, but right now we can only access it using this public IP address. So we want to attach a load balancer to it and then access the application through the load balancer. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to create a service called the load balancer and then attach it to this cluster. So on this tab here, you see service, click on service and then click on create, and then we want to create this, leave this as a capacity provider strategy, right? And then scroll down to service, leave that as service, and select the tags from the family with this revision, which is the latest. Service name is going to be a load balancer with just one replica. Then scroll down to the option where you have load balancing, and then click on application load balancer, because that's what we want to do. We can now create a new load balancer. If you have one already existing, then you can select that, but we don't have any existing load balancer, so we have to create a new one. I'm going to call this the weather app ALB, right? And then leave the listener as default, which is on port 80. Create a target group I'm going to call this the weather TG. That's for the target group. Leave everything as default and then create. All right, so the load balancer has been successfully deployed. This is it here, active under services. So if we click on this load balancer and then we go to networking, from the networking we should be able to see the DNS name. So we copy that DNS name and then paste it in the browser like this, we should be able to have that application up and running. And that's it. We have the load balancer active as a service in Elastic Container Service. Till next time, have a wonderful day.